welcome. In this video, you will learn how to play Hallelujah. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and also make sure that the nails on your chord hand are really short. This will make it so that you have really good form and the strings will ring nicely. If you would like to see more song tutorials like this one, learn how to play ukulele from scratch and see product reviews, and subscribe to this channel. For this song, we will need chord C. Please play chord C with your ring finger. Please don't cheat and use the index finger or middle finger. We need those for other chords. So please do C with your ring finger. Have your middle finger hover over, not touching, but hover over so that when you switch to A minor, there's very little effort. So C to A minor. Make sure you do A minor with your middle finger because later you will need F and all you have to do is put down the index finger. It happens to me in almost every video where I'll have like people say like, why can't I play as smoothly as you do? And part of the reason is that some students don't want to let go of the index finger being the dominant finger. But if you play with your ring finger, that opens up the middle finger for A minor. So really, when I tell you to use these fingers, I mean well. This is for your own good. Okay, so we were at F with your peace fingers. Then we will need G. For G, you're going to pivot the hand inwards. Think about the fingers coming down from the top. This one's not easy. It does take time to build, but once you've got it, many other chords are much easier. So work on G a little bit at a time if you haven't mastered it. And finally, we will need E7. E7 also requires the hand to become like completely pivoted inwards. This is a really cool chord, I think. I like that it's a little weird. Okay, let's get started. There are 3 parts to this song: the intro, the verse, and the chorus. The rest of the song is just all a repetition of one of those. So for the intro, all we need is C and A minor, 2 beats on each. Now you have some options in how to execute these 2 beats. You can just keep it simple and do down strums. 1, 2, switch, 1, 2. Or you can do the fingerstyle. I highly recommend the fingerstyle because it sounds more like the arpeggios that you hear the piano doing if you listen to the song. So we're going to assign 1 finger for each of the strings, and that finger will only pick on that string. So the thumb is on G, index on C, middle on E, and ring on A. And all I'm doing is picking from the top to the bottom and back up. Watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. It helps if you have nails, but it's not like absolutely necessary. Without nails, it'll just be a little softer. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Each one of these sequences is 2 beats. So let's go to C chord. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Now switch to A minor. Ready, go. 1, 2. So let's do both those chords from C to A minor. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch, switch, switch. If any part of this tutorial is too fast or too slow for you, then use the gears either up here or down here depending on what device you're on, and you can change the speed of the video to match like your learning. So let's try that again. C, 1, 2, ready, go. A, C, A minor. If you would like to strum through this song, put the ukulele down real quick. So this song is in a triple feel. So if you say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is the feel of the song. And you would strum on 1 and 3. So let's say it and clap it. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what you just clapped, try to strum that. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple and just do down strums, but you can use the technique that you like best. Okay, let's take it at the first part of the verse. And the reason is that all of the chords here have 2 beats, so you don't have to really like think too hard. All you have to do is just switch to the next chord in the right timing. So here we go, C, A minor, C, A minor. 1, 2, verse, go. There was a secret chord, David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? This second part of the verse is the more tricky one because you have some chords that only last for 1 beat. So what you need to do is always think a chord ahead. Don't think about the chord that you're on. Think of a chord ahead. So we go from C for 2 beats, then F, then G, and then move to A minor. So let's try that. 1, 2, C, 2 beats, C, C, F, G, A minor. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Try again. 1, 2, and keep going. Go. Just like this, the fourth, the fifth, all the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah. Okay, so let's do the whole verse. I want you to always think 1 chord ahead, okay? 1, 2, verse, go. Song, because the song is so repetitive. Once you learn this, you've learned all of the parts. So the last part of the song is the chorus. So watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. Da, 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 hallelujah, So now let's try the chorus together. 1, 2, ready, go. So now just for fun, let's piece it together. Intro, verse, and chorus, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Verse. I heard there was a secret chord, David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't care for music, do you? I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial for Hallelujah. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Sayonara!